Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and good in their lives and routine. Guys, I'm very excited to do this video today. But before then, let me introduce myself. As you guys who already following me for a long time, they know my name. My name is Sana. And today I'm doing the Nikki tutorial challenge, which is she have done Google Pick My Makeup. So what I do, she did that her first name initial and last name initial. So I'm gonna write down on Google ST look. So let's see on images what we get. Oh guys, can you believe this, that I have get this on ST look? So I'm gonna create this. I'm gonna upload this picture in here as well, so you can see clearly what I get on my look today. But I'm very excited that I get something excited. So this is really cool, reddish maroon shade, some grayish white as well. So let's get started, because I don't want this video to be long. Let's start it. First I'm gonna start my aloe vera soothing gel. This is really good, guys. It's a 99% aloe vera and it's from Holika. I'm gonna start this first and apply this on my face. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna complete my eyes and then we'll complete our full face. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna set my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brow pencil. It's which shade is it? I have no idea, but it is dark brown, that's I know. So first I'm gonna set my brows and then I'm gonna stop my eyes. Hopefully this video will not get too long. So I have set my eyes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this palette to do some like a maroonish brown shade, and then I'm gonna use my other reddish shade, which is, we can see that, but we're gonna create our eyes. I'm excited as well, but I'm really confused that whether I can do that competition, you can say that, whether I can complete it or not. I have no idea about it, but let's see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this shade in this Body Sully shade in this palette. This is a very dark maroonish berry shade. You can say that. And I'm gonna put it here. And I just want to slowly build up this. I'm gonna do now, I have in my hand this STILA liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's not like a glitter, but it's have some kind of. It's called TWIG, and I'm gonna apply this my inner corner and outer corner eyes to just And after apply that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this together with my blending brush. And this is very, very beautiful, like a dark brownish color. I am really impressed with this color. I'm gonna use the STILA red glitter, like a next to NOTTLE, a beautiful reddish glitter, and I'm gonna apply this my middle of the eye. Okay guys, so far I'm really excited that how these eye looks come on, but we'll see when it's all complete. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this This Way foundation, and whatever I'm gonna use for my base at the moment. So I will write down everything in the description below, because I don't want this video too much long, so I'm gonna do it quickly. So let's get started. So at the end, I want to tell you my opinion, what I'm thinking about this look, and tell me that what do you guys think about this look. This is the look, a maroonish burgundy look, and like some kind of vampy as well. I really like this look, how it comes on. The eyeshadows especially, they look so pretty, like a dark brown and red combination with the on the lipstick as well, in the blinding highlight. And on my lips, I want to tell you that I used, I will write down in the description box below as well, but I used Kylie Jenner 2 Brown K and Huda Beauty Cheerleader in the middle of the lips. I used this one. So far, I really like this challenge, and I love this challenge, how it comes on my face. I hope that you guys also like this challenge as much as I do. So yeah guys, I hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like this video and if you guys like this challenge, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you can, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.